Alright, you guys, so I recorded a whole video for you and then I accidentally deleted it, so not my brightest moment. But on here for today, you guys, we are going to be working on your student portfolio. A lot of you are still missing the letter to your future self, your job application. Um, I do have all the vision boards, I believe. But everything that you guys are doing, the budget math, the monthly budget, all of those things are not only worth points, but they're also going to go into your portfolio. So make sure you have your portfolio started. Let me show you what I mean so far. So on here, you guys were supposed to start putting together your student portfolio. It has everything you've been working on, or it should here soon. All of these are the pages I would like for you to have. You're going to be working on the colleges one for a little bit today, as well as your missing work. Your job application is going to go here. Letter to your future self, your finances, how are you going to take care of yourself, and then the steps to get there. So your entire portfolio is going to be worth 100 points. So I want you guys to be working on this nearly every class. For today, for your attendance question, I'm asking you to research 2 colleges that you might be interested in. If you're like, well, Miss James, I have no idea where I want to go to college, this is a good time to start thinking. And what I want you to do is go here, make sure you guys insert the page. You're going to go insert and then you'll put a college page. And you can put pictures of your college. This is just a template. Pictures of your college, and then I want you to start researching what do they require to get in, what GPA do they require, what are some of the programs that they offer. So if you just go to UCLA, I spent a little bit of time here, but then I changed to the University of La Verne so I could get my teaching credential and my master's in writing. So you have your UCLA. The main things that are going to be on your radar for today are going to be what are the programs that they offer, and then what does it take to go there? How much does it cost? So you have admission, you have how much financial aid, they usually give people. This is research for you. I know that some of you are like, I have my college paid for, but, in my case, I feel like because I paid for my whole college myself, I feel like I appreciate it more. And I actually got way better grades because I kind of had to pay for everything myself. So on here, what's it called? You guys are going to research. There's UCLA. You can go to mine, which is La Verne. They put the admission and the academics right there on the screen. They will, I think USC was something like a 3.9. I possibly could have gone there, but it didn't work because I had 2 young kids. So they wanted you to be in the classroom for most of it. But USC is phenomenal. Your job is to look through here, start gathering information that you can then stick on your student portfolio. Okay, so you're going to pick 2 of them, answer the attendance question with which 2 you picked, and then start kind of gathering information. All of this stuff can be changed. You can delete it. You can add new boxes. You can change the theme or the color. This is for you, so please make it yours and put some stuff in here for your future. There's USC. Some of you might be thinking Antelope Valley College. And there's nothing wrong with that. I went to College of the Canyons for a couple classes and then I transferred over. So they always put these here so you will know what programs they offer. I'm not sure if you're thinking about being a teacher. Some of you have your own path, but there's so many programs and there are so many people who will help you. On here, if you're a graduating senior in the future and you're thinking Antelope Valley College because it's affordable and you want to live at home, you got to make sure you enroll by that fall date or you won't be able to get in. So you have assessments you got to take. They're going to set you up with a counselor who will guide you through all of this. Very supportive people. College of the Canyons is right down the road from me. Another community college. They have everything, financial aid. You can even take college classes while you're in high school. So please look around. Obviously, California schools don't have to be your only choice. You might think like, I don't know, maybe just go with something on my brain, which is Vanderbilt. They have, this is in Nashville, Tennessee. They have so many great programs and a lot of great athletics. But I want you to research. Don't just say, I don't know. Your job is to take some action and put some thought into where you might want to go after you're graduating high school. And you might think, well, this is too early, but I guarantee you high school is going to fly and you won't know what you're going to do next. So if you have a plan and you start researching, I think you guys will see the value in it. And then try to put as much information here as you can. Answer your attendance question and make sure you're working on your missing work because it's all going to end up here as well. All right, you guys, have a great day.